Brexit, I'm sure, has caused you and will cause you many, many headaches. Let me take one away from you. In terms of maritime access to and from Ireland, we have got this. With the combined acumen and skill of all of us actors in the logistics chain, we will rise to the challenge and handle whatever is being thrown at us. Shipping will provide, it always does.